What if I told you the most expensive tax you pay isn't even called a tax?
All right, quick question. You go to buy a slice of pizza. Price tag says 10 bucks. You hand over a $10 bill. Feels good. Simple transaction. But something feels wrong. You walk outside, and your wallet is $10 lighter, but you only have a slice of pizza. Where did the 10 bucks go? It should be pizza, but it's not. It vanished. Well, it didn't vanish. It went on a journey. And on that journey, it got mugged. This is the story of the invisible tax. The silent mugger hiding in every single thing you buy. To understand the invisible tax, we have to look at the price tag. Let's say you see a pizza for 10 bucks. Simple, right? Wrong. That 10 bucks is actually the final chapter of a long, expensive novel. Before that pizza ever saw an oven, it started as ingredients: flour, cheese, tomatoes. That's the wholesale cost. The farmer grew the wheat. The truck drove the flour. That costs money. Then someone had to turn that flour into a pizza. That's the producer. They need to pay the chef, pay for the oven, pay for the lights in the kitchen, so they take a little bit. Now the pizza is made, but it's in a factory and you're in a city. How does it get to you? Meet the middleman, the distributor, the advertiser. They put the pizza on a truck, they put an ad on TV so you want the pizza. And for that hard work, they take a little bit too. Finally, the pizza arrives at the shop. The last stop. You walk in. The shop owner needs to pay rent, pay the cashier, keep the lights on, so they take a little bit too. This is the moment you walk in. The pizza is ready. The price tag says 10 bucks. You hand over your money. But look closely. The $10 you hand over isn't paying for the pizza. It's paying for the flour guy, the producer, the middleman, and the shop owner. This is where it happens. This is the mugging. See, everyone we just met. The farmer, the producer, the middleman, they all took their cut. That's fair. That's the visible cost. But remember that first bill? The one that traveled the whole journey? That money is gone. It doesn't pay for anything new. It just disappears. It paid for the past. It paid for the invisible tax. And now, the tax is hungry again, and he's looking at your $10. But wait, who's that? It's the receipt. The tiny piece of paper no one reads. The receipt holds the secret. If you look really, really close, you can see the invisible tax's real name. Sales tax, service fee, processing fee, merchant fee, convenience charge. These are the tax's many masks. They are tiny, invisible cuts. You don't notice them one by one. But over time, those cuts add up to a feast. And the worst part? You never even see it happen. You just feel a little bit poorer. That $10 pizza, by the time you factor in the gas to get there, the tip, the sales tax, that pizza cost you 15 bucks. Easy. So what do? Do we stop buying pizza? No. Pizza is delicious, but we stop being asleep. We start seeing the invisible. You can't kill the invisible tax. It's part of the game, but you can stop being its favorite meal.
Now the step 1. Boring but true. Read the receipt, not just the total. The lines. Every fee has a name. Learn the names. Step 2. Ask why. Why is there a service fee? Why cash discount but card fee? Most people never ask, so businesses never stop charging. Visible cost buys the thing. Invisible tax buys the lesson. Don't pay for the lesson twice.